गोयच्या मिनेरांक तेको दिवपाक आता मायनिंग इंजिनियर मुखार आयल्यात। शेनवारा दिसभराचो परिसंवाद घेवन ताणीय मागले MMDR कायद्यात सुदारणा करात आणि बेगोबेग मायनिंग सुरू करात। गोयात मिना खणींची पावणी उपकारना आणि सरकारी महामंडळी चलचे ना। अखिल भारतीय मायनिंग असोसिएशनाचो गोय फाटो आणि गोय पॉलिटेक्निकाच्या आदल्या विद्यार्थ्यांच्या असोसिएशनान मेळून हो परिसंवाद घेतिल्लो। गोयच्या मायनिंगाच्या फुडाराचेर तांणी वेगळ्या तज्ञांक आपोवन भासाभास केली आणि उपरांत सांजे पत्रकार परिषद घेवन असोसिएशनाचो आदलो अध्यक्ष टी विक्टरान आपलो निर्णय जाहीर केलो।
We have met about 150 members of our association. We have met here. We have deliberated. We have interacted with each other. Also, we have invited some experts on law, on experts on corporate operations, on experts on legal advisors. The only best option is to amend their existing law which is there, which is peculiar to Goan mining concessions, which was a concession under Portuguese law. Later on had to be converted as mining leases under Indian law. If 1987 is accepted as the concession is converted to lease, if it is taken as 1987, up to 50 years mean 2037 pariyant we can operate the mine immediately. Tomorrow, if there is a notification comes from central government, tomorrow mining can be started in Goa.
If we consider the option of auction, besides the time that will be taken for exploration, at least my experience is at least it takes minimum 2 years for getting forest clearance. So similarly for EC, it takes under 2 years. Even if it is done parallelly, then also it is not going to be less than 5 years if we opt for a auction
process.
विक्टराच्या मतान शाह कमिशनान दिल्लो 35,000 कोटी रुपयाचो आंकडो साप्प फट आणि गोयात मायनिंगाची लिजां आपली शीम सोडून भायर वचपाकच शकनात।
That cannot happen in Goa. It is possible elsewhere in the country where this is one area, one lease is there. Our international center is only mining lease, another lease after about 1 or 2 kilometers, then it's possible. Here every line is the common line. About 200 and odd mining leases, the leases which are survey numbers, under survey number you take the map of Goa and see the survey numbers, they are all just marked small survey numbers. 5,000 crore which was pointed out by Shah Commission is totally the imaginary figure. I can strongly tell it's an imaginary figure. There is no basis. Even the basis which is given is an assumption. It's only a what you call a fiction. It is. How they will check it? They came with a handheld GPS. It's a very rough method. The minimum errors are in meters, and with that they came. They checked the boundaries.
पणजेच्यान आमचो व्हिडिओ पत्रकार श्यामचारी।